Hello, Glam fam. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are blessed and just excited about life despite everything that's going on in the world. You got to keep a positive attitude, put God first, and everything will work itself out, okay? Okay, let me get started. Today, I want to bring to you guys another vlog, and this is on skincare. I'll be doing a facial scrub demo of something that I mixed right in my kitchen. And yes, it's something that we all love in the morning. Well, most of us love in the morning and at work to get our day started. Yes, you guess. Coffee. Did you know that coffee has a lot of excellent benefits to your skin? Not only can you use it as a facial scrub, but also a full body scrub as well. First, coffee, it helps stimulate your blood, giving you those rosy cheeks. It's a great exfoliator, removing dead skin cells, unclogging pores. Also, it assists in healing acne because all acne is clogged pores. It gets under your skin layer, affecting your hair follicles, which then you have breakouts. So to alleviate all of that, it's very important that you do a scrub at least once a week, okay? Very important. So anyway, also coffee is going to help firm your skin, tighten it, giving you that natural glow. Also, by using the exfoliator, it's going to help better absorb your other skincare products, okay, easily. So yeah, so let's start fresh, give a deep cleansing. So let's get started. So this is something I made. I used ground coffee. It's very easy and simple. I mixed it with coconut oil and sunflower oil. But you can use olive oil, sweet almond oil, whatever oils you want, okay? Doesn't matter. But today I just have the sunflower oil and the coconut oil on hand. So first, I'm going to do it on my face and my neck as well. Again, you can use it as a full body scrub, also a lip scrub as well, which I'll be doing too. So everything's already mixed here, and it smells good. It smells very, very good. The aroma is like, you know how we love coffee, just the smell of it. So anyway, let me go ahead and get started. It might be a little messy, but that's okay. So what you want to do is go on circular motions. Take it, you don't have to be too rough with it. Be very gentle. Avoiding under your eye area, okay? And you can actually feel it. This is a great way to remove all those dead skin cells so your skin can breathe. You know, the moment we walk outside, we're so subjected to and bombarded with all the pollution, free radicals that's in the air, dirt, dust, and God knows what else. So it's very important to do a facial scrub to be part of your skincare regimen at least once a week, okay? Oh, it smells good. I feel like I want some coffee. You can use it as a hand scrub. You can use it on your feet, your elbows, your knuckles, your knees, you know, wherever you have like, you know, dark spots or hyperpigmentation. It's going to help fade that away. And actually, coffee is an antioxidant as well. It has a lot of protein in it, natural oils, carbohydrates. And the coffee bean, it just does wonders. Okay, so let me get my forehead. Make sure you don't get in my eyes. Again, you can be very gentle. Just go in circular motions. Ooh, get my eye. Maybe I hold my head back. Make sure you get your nose here. This is going to help remove those stubborn blackheads if you have whiteheads. Okay, let me get my neck. When you do a facial, it's very important to get your neck as well, because everything, your face and your neck, of course, is connected. And the first thing, as we know, as you age, your neck is the first to go. Your neck and your hands. It looks like I got a tan. And I'm going to put my lips. Exfoliating your lips too with the scrub is great too, because even your lips, accumulates all the dead skin cells, and it starts to get chapped, it peels sometimes. So it's very important to do your lips as well. While I'm at it, I might as well go ahead and do my hands too, since might as well go ahead and do my hands too. Let me take my ring off. It's something that, something that's right, natural in our kitchen. We spend all this money and we can just do things, ourselves. A lot of times, when I'm applying, skincare, I just do things right, like a moisturizer. I'll use, some avocado, banana, yogurt, to help put the moisture back in my skin. But since this coffee scrub already has the oil, the coconut oil, and the sunflower oil, it's like 2-in-1. It's exfoliating, also it's putting the moisture back in your skin, as well as hydrating. And also it's good to even out your skin tone as well, giving that natural glow, which we all ladies want. We die for having to have that skin glow, huh? Okay, I think that's it. Again, avoiding your under eye area, because your under eye area is very delicate, very delicate. So, but after I rinse it off, and you can put some olive oil, coconut oil under your eye, just to soothe and moisturize underneath your eye. Okay. Okay, let me go ahead and rinse this off real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, you guys. I rinsed off all the coffee scrub completely, and this is the end result. My skin feels fabulous. Look at that. I have no makeup on. Look at that natural glow. My skin feels so soft. And look how my cheeks are rosy. That's what I was saying. The coffee has a stimulant that improves blood circulation. It's going to give you that even tone, those rosy cheeks. My skin feels so clean, exfoliated, with no makeup. I can walk out my door and feel confident and assured that my skin is, it's glowing. That's what you want, That's what you want. So I forgot to tell you guys how much of the ground coffee I put in here, as well as the coconut oil and the sunflower oil. I use 2 tablespoons of the ground coffee, and 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of the sunflower oil. And you just mix it together, until they can get to that consistency here. And this should last for a good week. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator, and I'm going to do it again probably next Friday or Saturday. And then whatever's left over, I'm going to probably use it on my feet as a foot scrub, probably my elbows, my knuckles, my knees, because I don't want to waste any product. This is some good stuff, okay? All right. Yes, baby. When I tell you I feel like $1 million after I did my facial scrub, wow. It's the small things you do, just makes you feel good about yourself. It's so important to do your self-care, ladies, okay? Anyway, I just wanted to show you my skin. My skin feels so soft. Oh my God. It feels great. It feels so good when you know your skin is deep cleansed and you did something good for your skin. The skin is the largest organ, and we have to really, really take care of it, okay, you guys? So yeah, see? I got my makeup on here, ready to start my day. Very important to level up, ladies. You got to get your glam on. Take care of yourself. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing. Check these glasses out. Aren't these cool? These are so nice. Nice quality, too. I will have this on my website. I'm in the process of uploading product. I will keep you guys posted on that. But stay tuned. I'm going to have some cool stuff. Accessories, fashions, wigs, hair extensions, makeup, skincare, everything glam and everything beauty. So stay tuned, you guys, okay? Make sure you subscribe to my channel, share and like, press the notification bell for future postings. I would really, really appreciate it. Check these out. Yes. I got my little cute little bag here. And actually, I found this shirt at the thrift shop. Yeah, I probably went to Goodwill one day, had donated some stuff from Goodwill. I said, let me just go ahead and see what they got, if I can find something vintage or whatever. And I saw this, I'm like, wow, this is so cool. It has a sequence. Check that out. Got my little ruffle, little blouse on. Let me just back up so you guys can see. Got my little black leggings. My boots. Yes. Woo. I feel great. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and hope the facial scrub using the coffee with the coconut oil and the sunflower oil was very beneficial to you. You guys go ahead and try it. You're going to love it. I'm telling you. It's really, really, really exfoliates, removing all those dead skin cells, giving you that fresh, rejuvenated look, that natural glow, and that radiant. So now I'm ready to go. You guys go ahead and try it. Put in the comments if you do try it. Let me know. You know, it's all about interaction. Let me know if you tried it. How did you like it? Did it benefit you? Just let me know, okay, you guys? Until then, take care of yourself and stay cute. You know, us girls got to stay cute, right? Okay. Love you. God bless you. And stay positive. Bye now.